Hello my people, Anna now. So this particular video, they're very, very simple. I want to show you how and I will integrate the inverse of x plus 1 minus sine x with respect to x. The first thing I will do now to make sure say I break and down, make everybody understand. Solution first. See what I will do for this particular video. Everybody will enjoy it. First, I will use this integral sign, multiply this first one to give me integral of 1 over x plus 1. Then use the x to multiply this same one. You can't give me the x. And the first thing be that what I'll do. Second thing what I will do, I will bring the sign what I see here. Still use this one and this one, multiply by this sine s to give you integral of sine x dx. Now I don't break them down. How I want to integrate them one after the other. It's very simple. Just know two formulas. Now two formulas I will show you for this particular one. The first formula be say, if you know say integral of 1 over x with respect to s will give you natural logarithm of x plus c. The same way we will say integral of 1 over x plus 1 with respect to s will still give you the natural logarithm of x plus 1 plus c. So now one formula I don't give you. Secondly, if you integrate cos x with respect to x, it will give you sine x. But what if plus c, don't forget that one. What if you can integrate sine x? My brother and sister, you will give a negative cos x plus c. And the second formula I want to show you that. Now, you see, say for this question now, wait till you get now 1 over x plus 1, will be this one now we will use. And wait till you get now sine x, will be this one we will use. But this one just can't teach you, make you learn extra thing. I mean, it not be only one thing I will learn for the video. You get my point now. Okay, so wait till you can do now. The integral of 1 over x plus 1 with respect to x, the answer now, natural logarithm of x plus 1. So carry and photocopy and paste here, natural logarithm of x plus 1. As well as put this plus c, we make we leave am first because we know if we put plus c two places, we never remove the integral sign for here. So put minus integral of sine x. We don't agree say the answer now minus cos. So put minus cos x. Now we can put that plus c. What will be this c? Now the constant of integration. Some people go call them arbitrary constant, meaning say if you assume any value for that particular c. Finally, minus times minus will give us plus. So make you rewrite them. Natural logarithm of x plus 1 plus cos x plus c. This one now, it shock you say that the direct answer be that. You know, even hard. That very, very simple stuff. If you don't learn this particular thing to this point, you understand from the first to the last. You're supposed to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so that anytime I upload a video, now you will be the first person who will receive notification. Don't forget to share this thing to your group chat everywhere we do for social media space. Share and make people come learn something from me. You understand? My name is Instructor Alison. We teach math and science for pidgin English and plain English to make sure education they very much simplified. Make yourself a book. I will life for you. Until next time, I will see you. Peace.